Hey YouTube, so this is the other guy coming from inside my 2006 Scion XB. I've owned this XB since brand new, so I'm the original owner. And I know what's been going on with it, I know what's broken, what I've replaced. But in today's episode, I want to talk about something that is very, very simple for folks who are not mechanically inclined. I want to show you how to turn off your engine maintenance light. Now the maintenance light is different from the check engine light. Okay, so when you have a check engine light, that means something's wrong with your engine. When you have the maintenance required light, it means that it's time to change oil. Okay, so it comes on every 5,000 miles, and a lot of time folks who are not mechanically inclined, when they get that light, the maintenance required light, they get in a panic mode, and sometimes they take it to the dealer and the dealer charges an arm and a leg to turn off that light. So in today's episode, I want to show you how to turn it off. If you're interested in this video, let's go have some fun. Okay, so here I want to show you the these little signs here and what they're for. Okay, so that's the maintenance required light, which means that your oil level or your oil needs to be changed. Okay, so that little light right there, this tells you that something's wrong with the engine. It needs an OBD2 reader to read the codes. That little sign right there tells you that there's something wrong with your oil level, or you don't have enough oil in your engine. That right there tells you that either your handbrake is on or that your brake fluid is low. Okay, and this right here says, it tells you that there's something wrong with either your alternator, your charging system, or your battery. Okay, and this little sign right here tells you that your engine is cold. Okay, so when you turn on the engine, and I'll show you, the rest of these signs should disappear, except for the engine check and the engine maintenance required light right here, because it needs to be the oil needs to be changed. Okay, so there, see, all of those disappeared because everything is fine. Now if I would have changed my oil already and have turned off that little light right there, it should disappear as well. This light right here, once the engine warms up, it'll disappear. Okay, and that light right there, if I let go of my handbrake like that, it disappears. Okay, so let's turn off the maintenance required light right here. So to do that, what we have to do, okay, is is we have to switch this to the odometer here, ODO, where it's reading 173,000 miles. That's me putting my car through that many miles since 2006. So what I'm going to do is, basically, since it's on ODO, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off the engine like that. Okay, and then I'm going to put my finger here, and I'm going to use the other hand and to turn this thing to the on position like that, where that thing comes on, like that, where all the lights comes on. Okay, so but I only have two hands. I need a third hand to turn this on while my hand presses this. So because I don't have a third hand, what I'm going to do is I'm going to let down the camera real quick, and then I'll show you what happens. Okay, so this here presses this, and my hand is going to go onto the ignition. I'm turning it on.